Hello guys, today I'll be doing a Minecraft automatic door tutorial. So I'm gonna let my Minecraft load real quick. I just finished making a video, but I'm not sure I'm gonna post it. It was just me touring my place, but I don't know. I might not post it. Hold on, let me just go into first person. Okay, I'm in Minecraft, so I'm just going to show you guys. Okay, so first you want to dig a hole 2 by 3, and then dig down dig down 2 blocks here, like that, and then dig 3 blocks here, and then 2 down here, and do the same thing on the other side. And then you want to get redstone. Actually, I think I actually have redstone. You want to get redstone, sticky pistons, some wood, and glass. Oh, and also pressure plates. Let me change it to day. Okay, so now you can see. So you want to just place redstone down here, and then place it here, right there, and here. Oh, you also need a redstone torch. So let me just get the torch here, and this is a really good idea if you're making a mall or something. And then you place that here, and place that there, and you just want to close that up. You don't see any of that. And then you want to get the sticky piston and place it down there, and place one on top, and do the same thing. And then you want to place redstone here and here, and then you want to place glass in the middle, and then you want to get stone pressure plates, or any kind of pressure plate, it doesn't matter, and then right there, and then you can just walk past. It's a little loud though, so make sure your volume's down, but that's it. And then you can just cover this up like this. Yeah, so if you guys want to see more tutorials or see what I can do, I'm not very good at tutorials, but yeah. There, and then the top bit here, and done. Now you have a nice, cute little automatic. Okay, that's triggering me. Oh, okay, hold on. Okay, that looks better. Yeah, that looks better. And then you can just add all kinds of decorations, like with oak leaves and stuff. Make little plants. Like you could do something actually, hold on. Do something like this. Bake some wood. Yeah, and there. You can make cute little designs and stuff. Like this. And this works on mobile and computers and stuff. So, PC player, PE players, you can do this too. Okay, I'm just gonna place this there. If you watch this whole video, comment down below potato. Yes. There we go. But yeah, thanks guys. Oops. you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Oh, and also, if you want me to do a tutorial, next time, let me know in the comments. Or if you want me to do, a just a random video, because I'll think of something.